Wednesday morning, people walking through Toronto's downtown core would have likely seen this, a billboard that reads in part, "Educate before you vaccinate." The billboard has since been removed. But it was part of a campaign from Vaccination Choice Canada. According to a Facebook post by the company's vice president, the campaign was expected to run on digital billboards across Toronto for 2 weeks. Despite being allowed an initial run, a spokesperson from Outfront Media, the advertising company running the billboards, says all have been removed.
The problem with the billboards is that they contain half-truths, and so it's hard to look at them and to pinpoint and say, yeah, that's clearly false.
In a statement, the VP of Vaccination Choice Canada says the billboards were meant to encourage Canadians to better educate themselves on the medical practice of vaccination so that their consent is truly informed. 2 of the billboards ask questions, which we hope will stimulate parents to do more in-depth research. Outfront Media wouldn't give a reason as to why the billboards were removed. Now, this campaign comes on the heels of a measles outbreak in Vancouver. BC's Centre of Disease Control says since the beginning of January, there have been 14 confirmed cases.
And someone is not vaccinated because they've chosen not to be vaccinated. Well, if they've been in the same room as someone who had measles even 2 hours before, they could still get measles. The risks of vaccines are very low compared to the risks of getting the diseases.
And while there are no laws around vaccinations, Ontario's Health Minister says it's important in keeping the public safe.
We're seeing things come forward like tuberculosis outbreaks in certain parts of Ontario. We are going to continue through the Ministry of Health to encourage people to have their children vaccinated.
In the meantime, Toronto Public Health says for those parents who have questions around vaccinations,
go to your doctor, to your pediatrician, ask those questions there to a trusted source and get the answers.
Erica Vella, Global News.